Today, I will show you how to make this blouse. The sewing pattern for this blouse can be found in the description below. Prepare the fusible interfacing and cut it out to match the front and back interfacing. Place the fusible interfacing on the wrong side of the interfacing and press with steam to make it stick. Finish the raw edges with an overlock stitch. Place the inside facings right side together and sew the shoulder seam allowance. Open seam and press. Prepare the front bodice pieces. Finish the center front raw edges with an overlock stitch. Place the front bodice pieces with the right side together and stitch the center front. Open seam and press. Sew the edge of the seam allowance by 2 mm to create a channel for the elastic. Prepare 2 elastics for the chest ruffle. Use a small safety pin to guide the elastic through the channel. Pin both ends of the elastic. Repeat the process for the other side. Sew the elastic in place 5 mm away from the edge. Prepare the front ruffle piece. Place the front bodice and the front ruffle facing the right side together and pin them. Now prepare the back bodice and the back ruffles. Place them facing the right side together. Pin the waistline. Now sew the waistline of the front bodice and the back bodice. Finish the raw edge with an overlock stitch. Make some notches on the front bodice on the curves. Press the seam allowance towards the bodice and top stitch 2 millimeters from the bodice. Place the back bodice and the front bodice facing the right side together. Pin the side seams and the shoulder seams. And sew the shoulder and the side seam allowance. Finish the raw edges with an overlock stitch. Prepare the sleeve pieces. Set your sewing machine to its longest stitch length. Then sew a row of basting stitches along the shoulder raw edge between the marked gathering notches. Sew a second row of basting stitches 6 millimeters away from the first. Pull the bobbin thread to adjust the gathers along the sleeve cap. Fold the sleeve bottom seam allowance 1.5 centimeters twice and stitch. This will be the channel for the elastic. Prepare the elastics. Use a safety pin to guide the elastic through the channel. Pin both ends of the elastic and adjust the lengths if needed. Fold the sleeve in half facing the right side together and sew the 1 cm seam allowance. Finish the raw edge with an overlock stitch. Prepare the bodice and sleeve. Make the sleeve face the right side and place it inside the bodice. Check the notches for the front and back when placing the sleeve on the armhole. Pin the shoulder point and adjust the gathers. Then pin the armhole. Sew the armhole seam allowance. Finish the raw edge with an overlock stitch. Now prepare the bodice and the inside facing. Place the inside facing around the neckline, facing the right side together. And pin them in place. Sew the neckline seam allowance. Trim the seam allowance to 5 mm and make some notches in the curve. Fold the inside facing to face the wrong side of the bodice and press. Fold the bottom seam allowance 5 mm twice. And stitch the bottom seam allowance. your blouse is ready to wear. Thanks for watching.